wanted to get rid of the loosened skin that I had in my stomach area. I have the privilege of being a belly dancer, and I dance with my daughter, and so that little bit of skin was very important for me, and so that is why I had the tuck done.
A tuck is where we trim skin, and as skin grows, eventually you're going to have excess skin. So when you have extra skin and it starts dangling from your body, we can tuck it or trim it. A tummy tuck could be done for two types of patients. One patient is a group of people who desire their skin to be tightened. The other group is, because when we do tummy tuck, we have access to the muscle, is a group of people who want the muscle flattened.
I had a tummy tuck. It wasn't painful at all. I didn't have really too much pain. Dr. Gray over-exceeded my expectations of what my body could ever look like again. So I'm very pleased.
I'm so very happy with it. I feel much more comfortable in doing my dancing, and I just love it.
This New You tip is brought to you by Dr. Michael Gray.